pandemic eats into India's top and bottom line growth, the Met Department's prediction of normal rainfall has provided much needed proverbial light at the end of the tunnel. A normal rainfall would mean a good harvest translating into a higher rural income, which in turn would spike up the demand for consumer goods, two-wheelers and tractors and a host of other industries. The monsoon also comes at a time when India is slowly emerging from COVID-19 induced lockdown that had thrown the economy out of gear and disrupted the supply chain template. Government's decision to supply free of cost food grains to 80 crore people till Diwali, bulk of them in rural areas, is expected to have a catalytic effect on spurring demand for non-food products. Therefore, coupled with a significant drop in the number of COVID-19 cases, an increase in vaccination, unlocking and an evenly spread normal monsoon, there's no reason to blame FMCG majors or two-wheeler companies for being optimistic in the near to long term. And the available data makes it clear as to why FMCG, two-wheeler and tractor companies are banking on the rural economy to boost their income. The FMCG segment grew at 9.4% in January to March quarter, buoyed by a 14.6% rise in demand in rural and semi-urban sectors, while metros registered a meager 2.2% growth. And to tap into the rural market, one of the leading FMCG companies, ITC, has planned a multi-layered strategy to reach rural areas through a hub-and-spoke model of wholesale dealers and rural stockists who are aided by a wide network of travelling salesmen. Due to lockdown in more than 20 states, two-wheeler showrooms could not operate. Though sales have resumed, the industry is waiting for pent-up demand to take effect. For two-wheeler sector, the March quarter saw a robust growth of 24.3%, again pillion riding on the back of India's hinterland. But the softening demand in urban areas resulted in a contraction of 13% for FY21. The data for FY21 shows that Hero MotoCorp, Honda Motorcycle, TVS, Bajaj Auto and Royal Enfield have been able to somehow soften the blow of COVID-induced loss in sales due to an uptick in sales for the quarter ending March 21. And all these OEMs have either deep rural penetration or have a robust strategy in place to further penetrate the hinterland, which accounts for half of two-wheelers sold in India. In contrast, tractor industry had one of their best periods in FY21, with the segment expected to grow at more than 20%, the highest in a decade. This was possible due to stable crop prices, government support plans in terms of both MSP and procurement, extra leg room to spend on non-food articles. All the factors remain on place in the current year as well. The industry expects the growth trend to continue unless the vagaries of too much or too little rain disrupt the agricultural produce and drills a hole in the pockets of farmers. The key listed players in the segment, Escorts, Mahindra and VST Tillers, are almost completely dependent on rural India. Till Feb 21, outstanding credit to agriculture and allied activities grew 10.2%, almost doubling year-on-year basis. But amid the note of optimism, experts have sounded caution. India Ratings has said despite the third consecutive near-normal monsoon year, the demand for FMCG products, automobiles, especially tractors and two-wheelers, is expected to suffer. Meanwhile, others like Ventura Securities believe that pent-up demand would balance out the tepid demand. From FMCGs to banks to two-wheeler manufacturers to the government in power, agriculture has been the lone bright spot amid the picture of gloom and doom across a majority of segments. And as it starts pouring across different parts of the country, crores of farmers in the country are praying to the gods for not only a normal monsoon, but most importantly, equitable and timely distribution of rains. We sincerely hope the rain brings much needed respite to an economy battling on multiple fronts.